squat progressions video. So I'm going to give you a couple of different options for some basic squats in this video. We're going to start off just with a regular bodyweight squat. That is progression number 1. Make sure you're keeping your heels on the ground with all squats, keeping your chest up and shoulders back, so we don't want to be hunching. Progression 2, you can do a dumbbell loaded squat. So loading on your shoulders, initiate the movement by pushing your hips back. Make sure you're coming down until your hips are reaching knee height or below, so we're getting good depth in the squat. We don't want to bounce at the bottom of the squat. We don't want to see any of this. Control it all the way down, especially at the very bottom of the movement. We don't want to have any bouncing at the bottom. We want to be under control during this movement because it's about building strength. All right. You can also hold the dumbbells down by your side here. Test out a couple of variations. See what works for you. Maybe change it up to make it more challenging. We can use a kettlebell goblet squat. Front loaded. We can also use our barbell, which are going to be one of the more difficult progressions. So a front squat. Maybe you'd like to try a back squat. So we're going to come underneath the bar, load it on our back. Step back, get yourself comfortable. Push the hips back, sink into the heels. That is a back squat. So, there we've got 5 different types of squats for you to use. I want you to stick to a variation for at least 4 weeks so we can see some progression with that variation. So they are your squat progressions.